Hello everyone, Sriram Kumar here, and we're going to talk about PMP success story. We have Ashwini here, and more than the exam, she was feeling a little warm and shivering as she's going for a recording.
Right.
Okay, it's a casual discussion here. At the same time, she made it happen. At least we know that a lot of ups and downs, ups and downs. Sometimes she had a doubt, really ready. Can I go for the exam? Sometimes she feel, okay, I'm good. Mark is good. Again, it will be a drop. Up, down. And finally she clicked it and made it happen. So great. Congratulations, Ashwini, for this achievement.
Thanks, Sriram. And yeah, thanks to you for all motivation. And I think more than I having confidence on me, I think you are having more confident. You were like, no, Ashwini, you can do it. Go for it. You are ready.
Right. Because initially we'll have a little toughness. Then once the pickup speed comes in. So here comes the certificate on 27th of October. She cracked it. I believe that will be a memorable day in her life for a long time.
Yes.
Because being a mom, having a corporate life, she was able to manage things and prove that, yes, I can. Right. That's pretty important. Not to the world, proving to herself, I'm good. Okay, that's pretty important. Even though I tell that proving to the world is important, before that, at least prove to yourself that I'm good. Right, that's a point. And she says her LinkedIn is very busy. How many people visited so far?
I think I have around 35,000 views, and I'm like, oh wow, really? I'm
So
sure.
you're in the limelight now.
I think so.
Right. So people recognize the hard work. That's a message. See, there are a lot of certificates. I see people posting every day. I got a certificate in LinkedIn. I got a certificate here, there. Of course, people like that, but still, the PMP has its own brand and standard. So you achieved something good in your life. So you should be proud for it. Okay, saying that, give a little background about yourself.
Yeah, I'm based out of Bangalore now. Basically from Mangalore, and yeah, I have two kids, and one is 2 years old and 8 years old.
Busy mom.
Busy mom.
Okay.
Yeah, and work front. Yeah, I'm working as a PMO consultant in SAP Labs India, and also supporting VP in his task. So yeah, currently I'm like kind of part-time kind of working 50% capacity because of some personal commitments and all. Yeah, after project management professional certificate, yeah, I'm planning to get into some project and definitely implement my knowledge into my new projects. Yeah.
Good.
That is all about me.
That's good. Also, PMO role is not easy, right? You have to be in touch with many people.
Right.
Communication is a very important part of PMO,
Right.
where it could be of metrics, it could be of strategy with the top management, right? That's all happening. So this comes under IT domain?
Right, Sriram, this is under, yeah.
IT domain. Very good. Fantastic. Good. So PMO role is going good. You are in IT domain. So what is the spark there? Telling that, hey, PMP or agile learning going to help you?
Yeah, definitely. I think we are kind of more into agile now. So yeah, it is kind of mix, I can say hybrid kind of thing. And yeah, now there are some strategy changes and all. Yeah, we are getting into co-innovation type of model. So it's, yeah, I think much interesting kind of roles we are going to get is what I'm.
Nice. I can see you started forecasting what will be in the future. I think that you kickstart your learning process. Well and
Right,
good.
right.
So all good to know that PMP is going to help you. All are fine. But how is this learning journey? Was it smooth? Having kids at home? Are you able to sit in the class? How you managed?
Yeah. Yeah. When I think Anusha, I
Yes.
first want to thank her for introducing Sri Learning to me. And this thought came into my mind, PMP thing. And I should say this, I was initially, when I joined the PMO team, I was like tracking the project managers PMP certification who have done that and what is their expiry date of their certification, and I used to remind them, so this is what you have to renew it and all. But I was thinking, what is so interesting in this PMP? Because the way we were tracking, the importance we were giving to the PMP, I was like, well, what is there in this PMP actually, that certificate?
Okay.
So yeah, that was that time part. And yeah, when I was in this part-time kind of working mode, my manager is like, Ashwini, why can't you do this PMP certification? So I was like, my manager knows what is going with my current personal situation, all those things. Why he is suggesting me PMP? So I was like, I said, okay, let me try. And he also suggested me, see, Anusha has joined, just get in touch with her and try to understand how was it for her. And that is how I got to know Sri Learning, Sriram, and Rahul, of course, yeah. And my manager, Gautam Parida, he was like fully kind of supportive in all ways, okay? So immense support, I can say. So that is how the PMP concept came into mind, and I started thinking about it, and then I joined Sri Learning. And it honestly, it wasn't easy for me, because sitting on weekends, 4 hours class on Saturday and Sunday, it wasn't easy for me. But yeah, if I have some thought came into mind and I wanted to do it, and I'm into it, like I'll be committed to it. So that kind of mindset is mine. So I did it. Somehow I managed it. In between, I had to go and attend my kids as well, and my husband supported me completely. But still, wasn't easy. But I somehow, if I have missed something, I used to watch those videos, recorded videos on weekdays, along with my work, all those things. So that is how it started. And yeah, I thought, you keep telling us, right? You write it down. Ashwini Kamath PMP, on this date, you are going to be certified. So I wrote it down, but it did not work. Like kind of June I planned, it did not work, and I had to keep postponing. So that is how it started. And yeah, finally, with all that hard work, I pushed myself very hard.
I understand.
Last 2 months, Sriram, it's like I kept everything away from me. I feel emotional when I say that. I kept away all my kids, and I was kind of isolated in a room. And yeah, day and night, it was hard work, whatever I did. And yeah, successfully I completed.
I understand. It's a big effort. Okay. Staying away from kids is not easy, right? So kids always, we can stay away, but kids can't stay away. Right? They want the mom to be around, and it's all effort, hard work. Okay.
And
great.
Specifically when you close the door and you start doing something, it will be like they want mom badly.
They start banging. Mom, where are you? Where are you? Come out.
Right.
When you read the question seriously, your mind will be there. What the kid is doing there.
So much distraction, seriously.
It's not easy. That's not easy. But good thing is I found you're able to do that. Irrespective, you're telling all the stuff. Now it gives a determination that, right, you can do more. So look at today, kids are 2 years, 7 years are telling. As they keep growing, they get matured. Now you once found the taste of how to do things successfully. Now I'm sure you're going to repeat this few times in your life. A few years, not every month you have to do, but at least you will tell 2022 you'll do something, 23 you'll do something, because you found it. You found the way to do things. Right now you know how to do. So that's a good thing. Super. So book reading, exam practice, going for the exam. These are all stages. Okay. In this, which stage was toughest for you? Reading, practicing, or main exam?
Reading, I was like taking time, and yeah, I was doing it okay. And kind of practicing, when it comes to practicing, it was like I started with, I think, mock. I directly took full mock, but I think I shouldn't have done that. I should have done the chapter wise test. I think later you started suggesting everyone to start taking chapter-wise test first, and then go for full mock. But yeah, full mock, first full mock, all those things, the marks were not that bad, but I was not satisfied, as you know. I was like, I think how to improve my marks, all those things I was keep discussing with you. But yeah, practicing tough, why I was telling is because of the situation at home, like not I can sit and take exam, all those things. I had challenges. But yeah, once you into it, and once you start taking, once you get the hold of that, I think it is not that difficult to practice also. Being a mom, it may be difficult, but yeah, I think if you find out the correct time, I think all those things, I think that will work out. It's not a difficult.
Perfect. Great. That's a good thing. By the way, I know you are not doing alone. You have a group of people, right, in the Sri Learning team. I believe that group also would have been a good support for you.
Right, Sriram. Right. I was keep discussing maybe, Raj, Pankaj, I think Anusha was, I think, full-time support for me. Like whenever I used to have doubts, I don't mind, okay, it is night or morning. I just send out the question, Anusha, this is my doubt. So what is it? And she used to support me. Yeah. With that, I think we should have touch with all these who have cleared or who is going through the examination. We should have touch with the our teammates just to discuss. I think discussing helped me a lot, honestly.
Obviously.
The concept I understood by discussing more with the people.
We need it. See, because not everyone get an opportunity to work full-fledged project. We may be part of the project, or we may be somewhere at the end of the project. So we don't know. So when you talk with people, you get more clarity.
I do not have a real-time experience in completely into project management.
Right, that's true. And it's not only you. Many of them are like that. I do get some people telling that, Sriram, I'm doing an online course in Udemy or LinkedIn. Can I directly go to the exam? I'll tell, yes, you can. If you have a full knowledge, yes, you can. If not, please don't do that. Join some institute, be part of the group. That discussion is very important. You may get certified, but when you go for an interview or a job, you don't know. Book will not help you all the time, right? You have to talk to some people. You have to listen to some.
Very true.
That's important. But some people take it as, okay, it's very cheap in LinkedIn. I'll do that and clear it. Yes, you can clear, but the knowledge will not gain. Because as you did with Anusha, I don't know where you will get that knowledge. Only she can give it to you, right? She knows you well. She would have given you better.
Right. I think. That's and I can say that Sri Learning is producing a very good PMP candidates. I can say they all are well knowledgeable with the concept. I think it's great. When I started talking to Anusha, I get to understand, okay, this is how we have to learn, and only exam point of view, only certification point of view, which I say that don't do that. Please go through the concept. That is how you can crack it. Because I can say that the Sri Learning mock exam and the study hall mock exam, which I have taken, it is fully not going to help you when you see the exam questions. Questions, you can only answer it only if you know the concept. That is what I can say.
Right. So these are practice exams, make you to recall the concepts. Right. There it stops. And our practice exams are to make you to be disciplined. Can I see? No one has sit and written 4 hours exam the last few years. Now, when you're going to do this, only when you practice 4 or 5 exams, you know you have to sit in a place. Okay. So practice exams are all meant to recall the concepts, sit in the same place and do in a disciplined way. Right. That's how it is. Good job. You did a good job there. And going to the main exam. So you went to center-based exam.
Right.
Good. How was it? Experience with the center?
I have seen many success stories, and people have told they have great experience in center and all. But honestly, I'll say not, because I don't know, but it's not that very great experience getting into the exam hall and sitting. Maybe because I got a seat next to the door. Okay, so people were entering the exam hall. They were taking the exam, and I could hear the invigilators talking, and also it was kind of disturbing. I started putting that headphone and all.
Okay.
but yeah, but it's not bad. It's good. The experience is good, and that sitting in the exam and answering all those things, it's like fully you are into that exam mode. So it's a great experience. If I want to say the more about how was the exam experience, it's like it took me a little time to get into that pattern, the question pattern. Even though they were the questions were very similar to study hall questions, but it took time for me to understand the questions and all. So I took pretty longer time to to finish the first set of questions, first set of 60 questions. And I got stuck because of maybe I did not have that. I should have asked other people who have cleared it. My mind was like, once you finish that first 90 minutes, you will get into the break time. So my mind was into that time, but I was not aware that only if you finish first set of 60 questions, then only you can get into break. I was like waiting, why this break time is not coming? Then I got into, I was like panic. I called the invigilator. I asked her why I'm not getting break. She felt little silly. Then she was like, started explaining me. No, see, ma'am, you finished this section question, then you can attend the, you can get into the break. So I was not understanding. Then again, I asked her why I'm not getting the break. Then I understood, okay, only once you finish that first 60 questions, then only you get into the break. By then I almost completed, I think, not 90 minutes, around 110 minutes.
Oh, pretty high. See,
pretty high.
We taught this in classes. Success story, many people tell. 60th question, got a break, went out. I know that's a panic mode. In the exam hall, sometimes we miss it out. But good, at least 110. You didn't go beyond that.
Yeah. And then I finished that first set of question, and I took break, and I came back. Then that all pressure started. I was like, I even mock exam, I was struggling with the time management and all. So I started got into that pressure, and I started answering quickly. And yeah, second set also I completed, and I left with the kind of 47 or 57 minutes, honestly. So it was like I was like, okay, don't panic, Ashwini, calm down, don't panic.
Wow. So you start saying to yourself.
Exactly, because I did not have anybody. When I finished mock exam and I was not able to complete, I used to come out, and my husband, I used to, okay, don't worry, you can finish it, don't worry. So this one
back is not there. Okay.
That is not there. So there I was like finished second set of question and went to the break. Had break. There also I was like not thinking about how I attended the questions. I was like, Ashwini, calm down. You have to finish it. You will finish it. And yeah, it was like almost 15 minutes or 14 minutes I had, and I still had 10 more questions, 20 questions, and that last one up to 175 questions, it was like all guessing, and I was like just blindly answering it. And last 5 questions I couldn't attempt it.
Right. Time out.
No, time out. I attempted only 175 questions. I was like, okay, hope I'll get congratulations. Next.
So you close your eyes. Oh man, what's going to happen?
Right. And yeah, I got congratulations. I was like, okay, enough. I got congratulations. Let me. I called the invigilator, and she said, come out. So, and when I collected the printout, it was like all 3 domains above target. I was like, oh wow, wow, seriously, is this my printout only? So that was the situation in my exam. And I think if you have attempted all other questions rightly, with all your known concept, I think that will work. It's not that you have to complete 180 questions. That is what my learning from that.
Yeah. We do have some people, last 3-4 questions they can attend. It happened. But again, that sense of accomplishment will be there when you do all the questions. Right. You also feel comfortable, okay, I've done with it properly, right? That feel will be there. That's okay. So you've done your best, and the PMI recognized you. Okay, she put a lot of effort. She come a long way. So
Yeah,
let's congratulate her.
yeah, right, right.
Got it. Got it. Very good experience there. Nice. It's super. And first thing, I want to thank you for giving all this full story of what happened. Now, tell me how much your family behind you. You said your husband is keep on encouraging. Go ahead. How much he tolerated this kind of
Poor
stuff
thing, I'm with pity on him, seriously. He managed, I think he lost weight 2 to 3 kilos, Sriram, honestly.
because of you.
Because of seriously, and yeah, managing two kids, it's not easy. And that too, when that the last 1 month, what I did is like completely I was away. I was just trying to cook something, and I couldn't do that also. And then somehow we did not go out. We did not have any food out from outside because of this pandemic. And
Good.
unfortunately, I have to hire a cook that time. Maybe for 1 month, I hired a cook, and it was
Uh-huh.
like my daughter and all, when you will come back, we don't want her cooking.
Oh, wow. That's tough for them, right? They did not like the taste. Mom taste is special.
Maybe,
Okay.
I think, I don't know. And I
Yeah.
had, when I hear such things, I was emotionally down and kind of,
Understand. Yeah, it's not
several
easy.
times I have stepped back, like I gave up actually. Like I thought, okay, why should I put all these people into trouble and become selfish? So
But imagine if
always,
you don't do that, after all of them put the effort, if you don't do, that's going to be a little different,
yeah,
right? Better you
and
did that.
yeah, all that stress and all, my husband also said, don't worry. If you
Mm,
cannot do it, it's okay. I
mm,
am not worried about money. Don't
mm,
get into stress. So that is what he used to say. And my manager, he was like awesome. He always, whenever I say I'm kind of getting into pressure and I don't want to take, I think, go move forward with this. He was like, don't worry, you can do it. For
mm,
some time, you have to become ruthless, Ashwini. He used to
mm,
tell me, you should be ruthless. You should be brutal. Do
mm.
it, you can do it. There are, I think it is for shorter time. You, if you
Right.
can achieve this, I think they will also take you as a inspiration, and they will learn, okay, my mom at this age is doing this, and it's great. So they will, it's a key takeaway for them also. So that is what he keeps telling me. uh,
Nice.
that is how it helped me to, I think, achieve
Good, good,
this.
good, good. I can sense that your husband would have written an email to PMI. Hey guys, please make. We can't tolerate without food here.
And I, you know, right? I around 11 o'clock in the night, 12 o'clock in the night, Sriram, I'm nervous. I what to do? I cannot. I think I cannot do it. What should I do? So you are always like, you will clear it smoothly. The way you confidently used to tell me. My husband is like, please, you talk to Sriram. He's like, go and talk to Sriram. He will tell you something. You don't worry. Don't get into this much stress. So yeah, you were always. Uh, Next
Uh,
to me kind of thing, like you are supporting me completely. And
I know the pain what you're going through because there are candidates here. We meet different people. Okay, some are so cool. Some are don't even bother. They say it's okay. Yeah, we'll do it. They'll do it easily.
yeah.
There are some people take it to the heart. They feel so emotional, connected, and every step they'll be so struggling.
I'm
Even though
one
they
of
have the
them.
knowledge. Yeah, yeah, they have knowledge. See, we can see, right? We can see how knowledgeable you are. So some people we can tell right away it won't work. I have seen some people say that don't do exam right now. You're not ready. Wait for 3 more months. You have to
Yeah,
work. But some are really knowledgeable, but they don't know they're knowledgeable. So they'll be
I
stuck with
used to
their.
cross verify with Anusha. I was like, Sriram says this to me, so does he really means, or he tells this to everyone? She's like, no. Sriram is like, he will see if you are really can do it, then only he say go for it, otherwise he will not say. So don't worry, if he is saying, I think you will do it, don't worry. So that is what she used to say. And I think Sri Learning is the best platform for people to have whatever the certification or training you are providing, Sriram. I think that's a really very useful, and I think it's not true with all training institute, I feel. So they will give the training, okay, done, we are done, go. that's all. But right, I have attended another batch also, because I was finding it okay. I was from March batch, and I was feeling okay. I should get some more deep into that, and I've joined one more batch. I think July batch I have joined, and you allowed me for that. So I thankful to Sri Learning entire team. You, Rahul, whatever you have given. You kept the platform open. Like, you want to take a chapter test, there were several chapter tests which makes us strong with our concept.
Right.
So all those things, I think, helped me a lot.
Superb.
This.
Great. Happy to know that. Now the next part is you have to go and apply. As you rightly say, the projects are going to come. These much of effort, what you put in this, if you put 50% of effort in project itself, you will be super duper hit, because right, the knowledge what you learned, you have to just apply there in a very systematic way. If you can do that, that's really wonderful. Good. Superb. Any final tips for the people who are listening to this video?
If they are preparing for the exam, and if they are going to face it in near future, I think within this month or something, what I can say them, suggest them is like, take mocks. Sri Learning, maybe as you always suggest, Sri Learning Study Hall, Sri Learning Study Hall. And what I can say, it end with Study Hall, so that language or that format is similar, very similar. So that will sit into your mind, and you can just go and apply when you sit for the main exam. And last 2 days, as you say, last 3 days, I did not take any mock. I did not take any chapter test or something. I was just going through some flashcards which you have provided for us, and some agile principles, all those assignments which you were saying, that I was going through. And last one day, literally, I did not touch anything. I was like, I was not able to recall also, because of that tension, or I'm not sure, but I was not, I messaged you also. I'm not able to recall.
Now tell me, okay, as the tips going on, the day before the exam, did you slept well?
I slept early, actually. I usually sleep around 12 o'clock, 11:30, 12 types. But that day I went to bed around 10 o'clock. And I was trying to sleep. I got some sleep, and then suddenly I woke up and started thinking, tomorrow exam, what to do? Till 1 o'clock, I did not get sleep.
At least you trade some little sleep. There are some people, they'll go to bed until morning 3 o'clock, they won't sleep.
I know.
They need to find their sleep and then go to exam.
Yeah, I know that.
And I'll tell them, after the exam, sleep well. Even after the exam, that day night, they won't sleep, because they're excited. They got to clear the exam. They don't know what to do now.
It happened with me also. Now also, I'm kind of morning 6 o'clock. Suddenly, if I get up, I don't get sleep. I don't get sleep. Till 7, I somehow push, and then I come back, because night we sleep late. So that's the reason I want to get some sleep. But yeah, if I suddenly wake up at 6 o'clock, I'll not get sleep.
So keep up that momentum, keep reading and learning something. Don't stop there, because you found your path now. You have to start working on it. That's important. Super. Great. Hey, thanks all viewers who are watching this video. Give your likes and comments to Ashwini, because being a mom and doing things, not easy. It's even easy to say in the video, but it's pretty hard. But we have a lot of moms who cleared PMP. There are many people come to me, Shriram, I have a little baby, can I go for exam? You are the right candidate to go to exam. So we have a big stats of mom clearing exam faster than the people who feel they have. Seriously, there are people who have a lot of time, they don't clear. But the rightly said, if you want to give a work, give to the person who is busy. True. They will do it, because you already know how to manage the time, right? So the mom stats work for us really well. Working and keep improving in your life, right? So good wishes, Ashwini, and keep rocking more in your life.
Thank you, Shriram. Thanks a lot.